Namaskar. We are facing a hair loss epidemic nowadays. Every day I meet so many youngsters who are struggling for this problem. Baldness and hair thinning are affecting late teens also. Yes, it is starting so early and it is shocking. And it's not a small problem because your hair can really affect your self confidence. So, today, let me give you one traditional hair oil to manage major hair problem like dandruff and thinning. It also helps with hair growth. And at the end, I will also give you a special tip to improve the quality of your hair. Before that, let me tell you what are the most common causes of hair problem these days. Hair thinning and hair loss has a genetic component, but it is not just about your genes. A lot of modern hair problems are also caused by poor diet, lack of protein and vitamins, irregular sleep, excess stress, and minimal physical activities. All of these weaken the body's ability to nourish hair follicle. So you have a lot of things you can control to improve your hair. Now let me give you one hair oil to reduce dandruff and hair loss and hair growth to improve. To make this, you will need 1 cup of organic cold pressed coconut oil, half cup organic cold pressed castor oil, half cup organic cold pressed flaxseed oil, half cup organic cold pressed olive oil, half cup organic cold pressed almond oil, 2 tablespoon khas root or vetiver powder, 2 tablespoon dried neem powder, 2 tablespoon bringaraj powder, 2 tablespoon rosemary powder, 1 tablespoon red hibiscus powder and 1 tablespoon amla powder. Now let me show you how you can prepare this powerful hair oil. Natural oil shouldn't be overheated or they lose their healing property. So to make this hair oil, we will first heat water in a deep pan. Then put a smaller pan in this warm water. This double boiling method ensures that your oils are not overheated. Now first add the coconut oil. After 2-3 minutes, add castor oil and olive oil. Mix them gently to make sure all this mix together well. Now add the dry ingredients starting with bringraj powder, amla powder, neem powder. Stir for 10-15 minutes. Then add the khas root powder, rosemary powder and red hibiscus powder. Stir gently for 2-3 minutes. Switch off the flame now. After this, now add almond oil and flaxseed oil. Do not add these oils when the flame is on. Wait till the oil cools down completely. Then strain and store in a clean glass jar. See, the traditional hair oil has a lot of power ingredients that is usually used in Indian hair care rituals for centuries. Coconut oil acts as a deep conditioner that moisturizes the scalp and protects the hair sharp. Rosemary oil has antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property that help in stimulating hair growth. Even studies have shown that rosemary oil has properties which are very good for your hair. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids. This makes it highly beneficial for promoting hair growth and improving overall hair health. Bringraj, hibiscus and amla. These have been used for centuries in India for powerful rejuvenating properties. When used regularly, this combination helps calm the scalp, reduce dandruff and create a healthier base for stronger hair. Massage a small amount of this oil gently into your scalp 2-3 times a week. Leave it on at least for half an hour before washing your hair. Now, as I have promised, let me give you 2 effective tips that make this oil work even better. First, manage stress with pranayam. Pranayams are really effective in stress management and anxiety reduction. Chronic stress and anxiety are the most common causes of hair fall today. Yogendra Pranayam 1 or equal breathing for just 5 minutes a day helps calm the nervous system, reduce stress hormones, and improve circulation to the scalp. Now, the second tip is warm towel wrap. After applying the oil, soak a towel in warm water, squeeze out the excess water, and wrap it around your head for 5 minutes after oiling your hair. This gentle steam opens up the scalp pores and helps the nutrient from the oil penetrate much better into the hair roots. Your scalp will feel instantly more relaxed and nourished. And the best thing for hair care and self-care is to be happy and believe in yourself. Take it easy and believe that it's all working out for you. Things will become better, even your hair. Namaskar.